Have you ever seen a windmill spinning or big blue panels on rooftops? That's renewable energy in action. Today, we'll learn how the sun, wind, and water help us create energy without polluting the earth. Let's make it super simple, fun, and easy to remember. Ready? Let's go. What is renewable energy? Renewable energy comes from natural sources like the sun, wind, and water that never run out. Famous definition: renewable energy is energy collected from sources that are naturally replenished. U.S. Department of Energy. Famous quote: "The future is green energy, sustainability, renewable energy," Arnold Schwarzenegger. So unlike coal or oil, which can disappear, renewable energy is like a magical battery that refills itself every day. Solar power. Let's start with the sun, the biggest power plant in our galaxy. Solar panels capture sunlight and turn it into electricity. It's like planting tiny sun catchers on your roof. Examples: solar panels on houses, solar-powered calculators, giant solar farms in deserts. Solar energy is super clean and great for sunny places. Wind power. Now let's talk about wind power, the energy of the moving air. Wind turbines are like giant fans, but in reverse. Instead of using electricity to spin, they spin to make electricity. Where can we find them? On farms, in oceans, on mountains. Fun fact: one big wind turbine can power 1,500 homes for a day. Hydropower. Next up, hydropower, or water power. Imagine a huge dam holding water back. When the water flows down, it pushes turbines and makes electricity, just like spinning a pinwheel in the rain. Examples: big dams like the Hoover Dam, waterfalls, and rivers. Tiny hydro systems in villages. Water is powerful and has been used for centuries. Why is this important? Why do we need renewable energy? Because it reduces pollution. It helps fight climate change. It keeps Earth clean for future generations. Using clean energy equals a happier planet. Let's recap. Solar power equals from the sun. Wind power from the wind. Hydropower from moving water. These are all renewable, clean, and powerful. So the next time you see a solar panel or windmill, give it a smile. It's helping save the Earth. Like this video? Subscribe for more fun science stories. Comment below, which renewable energy would you like to try at home? Stay smart, stay green,